So, hello guys, welcome to Network Beginner. And today's our topic is basically EIGRP fundamental. So, without wasting any time, let's start. If you ask me like what is the EIGRP full form or like it stands for Enhanced Interior Gateway Protocol. Okay, and it's a Cisco proprietary protocol. But on 2013, some of the features like it's open sourced, only some features. But if you want to use the full features of the TIGRP protocol, so you have to use the Cisco devices. Okay, it's a hybrid protocol means it uses both the protocols, both like the link state and the another one is distance vector. Okay, and it supports dual algorithm. So as I can check here, it is showing like always find a backup plan before disaster. Means there is a two on the when I scroll down. So there is I think yeah, this is the successor means the best path which uses the dual algorithms like that, and there is a one backup path, the feasible successor. That's why as you can check it, this is a backup plan and it uses which algorithm? Dual algorithm. Okay. If you want to like autonomous system, it's supports up to 255 router, or what is the active AD inside that internal means administrative distance, it is the 90 and the external is 170. Okay, and the hello time will be for the EIGRP it's 5 second, and the hold timer will be the 15 second in the lab, and this is for the WAN. Okay, load balancing, it's supposed default 4 paths and the maximum will be the 16. And what is the multicast address? The EIGRP uses. It's 2 to 4, means 224.0.0.10. Okay. And there is a 3 tables basically inside that EIGRP, which uses. One is the neighbor table, one is the topology table, one is the routing table. Inside the neighbor tables, like who are my friends? Regarding the neighbors, they will store inside that neighbor table. Regarding the topology means all possible routes with the backup routes. They store in which table? In the topology table. If we go for the third table, it is called the routing table, which chooses the best path. Okay. And if you ask me like about the metric will be the from key values of the EIGRP. K1 is a bandwidth, K2 is a load, K3 is the delay, and the K4 is the reliability, and the K5 is MTU. It's just wrong here. Just give me a sec. I will edit it. And the K5, it's MTU. Okay. So as I already told before, it supports the where am I? Yeah, there is it supports the load balancing, the EIGRP, equal cost by default, and the unequal cost with the variance command means we have to use the commands for the unequal cost. Okay, if we go for the packets, like which packets it will use, so there are 5 types of packet. First packet will be the hello for making friends. Second, for the update, sharing the news, we can say that, or sharing the updates. Third is the query, asking for help or like asking for something. Query like this is what I want. The fourth is a reply. Reply means the answer of that query. And the fifth in acknowledgement, like yeah, I got it, like something. Okay, so there is a 5 packets. First is the hello, second is the update, third is the query, and the fourth is the reply, and the last one is acknowledgement. Okay, there are some like hello packet contents, but for the fundamentals point of view, means if you want to learn, definitely you can read about it and learn about it on the Google as well. Okay, so hello packet contains the AS number, network mask, hello or hold timer, router priority, key values, neighbor list, authentication data, sequence number, acknowledgement, or the TLV. Definitely, we will go through on each like after uh, on our like different videos. because this is also the important. This is for the specific for the fundamentals. Okay. As I already told you about the dual algorithm, it's suppose it shows the successor means the best path in the EIGRP. The feasible successor means the backup path. What is the feasibility condition? We can say that it prevents the loops. Result क्या हुआ? What will be the result of trees combination? Fast conversion. That's it. Okay. And if you want to know about the seed metric of that our EIGRP is the infinity until we set definitely. Okay. The auto summary will what will enabled by default. Okay. If you want to recap it, EIGRP is a Cisco hybrid IGP. We can say that it's a Cisco proprietary and it's support the hybrid protocol. That's why this is on the same line. After that, there is a dual means fast plus loop free. How the past conversions because it uses the successor, the feasible successor, and the feasibility condition. That's why there are more. If you want to know more, there is a more as well. But we go deep inside on specific different video because this is for the just fundamental. That's why. It's there is a 3 table support by the EIGRP neighbor table, topology table, routing table. The metric, as I already told you about, there are k values from 1 to k5. K1, what will be K1? The K1 is a bandwidth, K2 will be the load, K3 will be the delay, K4 will be the reliability, and the K5 will be the MTU. Okay. After that, there is a 5 packets. First is the hello, second is the update, third for the query, fourth will be the reply, and the fifth will be the acknowledgement. There is a multicast address which uses the EIGRP for sending the packets. The multicast address will be the 224.0.0.10, and what will be the AD value? AD value will be the internal for the 90, and for the external is the 170. Okay, that's and one more thing, as I already told you before. Okay, so I will be right here about that. What the basic command for the EIGRP. So what will be the basic command? First is the router. Then we have to just suppose it's a small one, okay? Because it's automatic, that's why. So after that router, we have to type the EIGRP command. After that, we have to give what autonomous system. I just type here, yes, you just understand you have to give that autonomous system, okay? After that, we have to give the network x dot x dot x dot x. And in the on the CCNA, and there's a normal the CCNA is for the basic or the fundamentals. That's why we use only the network. Okay, means the IP address or network ID, we can say that. But on the CCNP, which is the advanced routing, that's why we have to give as well. If you want to use the wildcast mask or the subnet mask, it depends on yours. So I'm just typing here subnet dot mask. Okay, and note summary is also good. Note summary. So this is the basic command for that EIGRP fundamentals. That's it for today, and definitely I will mentioning if you want to if you want that PDF file. So definitely I'm creating a post about that on my website rajneeshkumar.pro. On that website you can see that article where you can read about it. Okay, and I will also share the link as well on in the GitHub on the YouTube video on my website. Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you all.